Hey, hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. We are from HR department of Veda Technologies. So today that is 7th of Jan going to be discussed regarding the job opportunities on ServiceNow developer. So this is the first job opportunity which we are going through. So this is the first job opportunity. Entity Data is providing ServiceNow. They are looking for ServiceNow developers. So this is the job description they have given for. You can go through this job description. You can reach out to him and you can drop a note to him. Coming to the next job opportunity. So it is a contract job of 6 months and it would be a hybrid module. So this is the description of the particular job. So they need 6 years of experience in ServiceNow developer. They are looking for ITSM, CSM and CMDB. These are all the capabilities they are looking for. They need hands-on experience on ServiceNow platform. So you can go through this description and you can drop a note to this particular mail ID which here mentioned, and you can directly contact to this mobile number, or you can drop a mail to him. Coming to the next job opportunity, like they are looking for ServiceNow developer, and location will be remote, and looking for 4 to 7 years of experience. The team must have skills they are looking for, like information technology and ServiceNow management. ITSM is the major role they are looking for, and they should have 3 years of experience in ITSM itself. So who has 3 years of experience in ITSM, they can drop a note to this particular mail ID, or you can follow her, like I said, just when you're ready, you can follow her and you can drop a mail, or you can drop your resume to this particular person. So coming to the next job opportunity, so next job opportunity regarding ServiceNow developer with SAM. So the location would be remote module. So this is the position overview. So these are the requirements which they are looking for. Requirements would be bachelor degree of computer science, information technology, or related any degree. So they need strong experience on SAM itself. So this is the particular they are looking for, particular experience, like particular skill they are looking for, and ITM also they mentioned. Yeah, they need proficiency in JavaScript and CSS and HTML also. Yeah. So you can drop a note to Shobana. Yeah, she's the team lead. This is our mail ID, and you can directly go through that mail ID, and you can drop a note to her, or you can drop your resume to this particular mail ID. Yeah. Coming to the next job opportunity, it is for IDEM technologies. So next we'll go through the manual testing jobs. Yeah, coming to manual testing jobs, this is a company like Revclex Private Limited, and location would be the Mohali itself. So working days would be 5 days working, and every day you need to go to office, and shift would be the night shift. So interested candidates, they didn't give any job description, and the interested candidates can go through this mail ID, and you can drop a note to him. So coming to the next job title, it is also for manual tester. So location will be Prove, and weekly price, and they are looking for hybrid model, and they are giving a full time duration, and must have experience in web API testing and integration testing as well. So this is the main job description they are looking for. Collaborate with business stakeholders and technologies and teams, understand the system requirements, stories, and these are all the job description. You can go through the job description, and you can follow this particular link, and you can drop a note to her, like next job opportunity. So it is for team-based solutions. So they are hiring for a tech engineer. So a good understanding in manual testing, like investment banking domain. They're looking for who are who work on banking domain. They can be applicable for this job. So this is the job description. They are looking for clear understanding of the testing concept, good analytical skills, and Zira. They are looking for, and SQL and basic query knowledge they should have. The candidate should have excellent internal, personal, and presentation skills also. So experience would be 2 years. Location would be Mumbai, and notice period would be immediate joiner. They're looking for, and 15 days. 15 days of immediate joiner. Everyone can apply for this job. So work mode would be the work from office, and yeah. So interested candidates, you can drop a note to Navya D. Fasalan.com. or you can directly ping to you can directly follow Navya on this LinkedIn channel, and you can drop a note your resume to Navya D, so she may get back to you. Yeah, coming to the performance testing jobs, so they are looking for jmeter who have skills on jmeter. They can apply to the job, and they're looking for 3 years, sorry, 6 years of experience in jmeter, and location would be remote, and job type would be contract job. So this is the job description. So especially they are looking for end-to-end performance testing activities, which the candidate should perform end-to-end performance testing activities like POC, NFR, workload model, test plan, and up to client recommendation. So this is the main job description they are looking for. You can go through this job description if you have the skills which are given there, and you can drop a note to this particular profile, like a particular mail ID. So coming to the next job opportunity, like they are looking for 5 to 7 years of experience in JMeter as well, and work location will be Chennai. So this is job description. Experience in JMeter scripting, parameterization, and correlation, experience with Blaze meter and or similar testing tools, and full knowledge of performance testing like cycle just we have discussed, that POC to client recommendation. So experience in preparing test plans, strategies, reports, and presentation skills to stakeholders. These are all the mentioned skills they are looking for. If you have these skills, you can drop a note to this particular mail ID which they are given. Yeah, this for today's topic. So thank you, and please do subscribe our Veda Technologies.